So I am at like 2.5 times speed, so it's gonna fly through this, so it's not a long drawn out video. This is my first video I've done, me at my job. I'm an electrician. Working on an elevator machine room, doing the fire alarm. This is the monitor modules for the elevator controller, which will tell the elevator to go to a specific floor, or to shut down, or to open the fire damper in case of fire emergencies. I'm working here on a wire mold 6000 can, which all the modules will snap right into easily. I cut it to the size to fit 4 modules. One of them is for the primary module, one is the secondary module, which is going to send the elevator to a floor that's required when a specific alarm goes off or smoke is off. The other one is the fire damper, which is going to open up a damper in the elevator shaft above it in the ceiling in case of a fire, or it's also got a thermostat on it, which will open it in case of if it's really hot in there. It'll also open the vent of the hot air. And the other one is the fire hat. So that's the 4 modules I'm wiring. So into the wire mold can, we bring in the SLC loop, which is 2 cables that are 14-2. It's in and out for the loop. And that's going to go and hit all 4 modules in and out. So out of the 2 SLC loop wires, I'll bring one to the first, one to the last, and then jump them out in between to hit all 4. And then I got 1 wire off of each module going into the elevator controller. I'm just going to leave those there. The elevator guy takes care of those 4 wires inside of his controller. I will also run 1 more pipe coming out of the wire mold 6000 to go into the elevator shaft and up to the damper, stopping on the way to put a box to mount the thermostat. This is the module. It was a quick look, but basically it just shows the SLC loop end, and I'm hitting the normally closed contact on all of them, going to the controller. The fire damper is a little different. I'm going to put a relay on that and go up, so if it gets a signal to open from the controller, the fire damper will open as if there's a fire, and it'll also open, like I said, with the thermostat. But all 4 modules will fit perfectly into the wire mold. I cut it to size. Bear with me, this is my first video I've done at work. They'll get better from here, hopefully. We'll try to post more. Thank you.